Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu budu rabbakumul ladzi khalaqakum والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. I seek refuge in Allah from the accused Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. O people, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, so that you may be mindful. It is He who has made the earth a resting place for you, and the sky a roof, and sent down water from the above, where He brought forth fruits for your sustenance. Do not then set up rivals Allah when you